Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing here? Morning, morning. Good morning. Okay, so you guys, like always, you guys have the levels that I'm watching on Span the Queue, also my watch list. Today is Nvidia, IWM, and Tesla. I like Tesla for a possible reaction of yesterday's low or 202. Pretty much yesterday's low and yesterday high. For SPY, 524 and 442 on the Q. Let's see how SPY is gonna react here at 524. Morning, morning. So far, we have the market bouncing, which is, I kind of want to see, I wanted to see the market bouncing so we can play rejections at resistance. Alright, so 442. Right now it looks like it is pre-market high here on the Q and 442. If not, it will be 446 and then yesterday's high. SPY 523 and then Tuesday high and then yesterday high. Nvidia looks like a head and shoulders on the 30-minute time frame. Buenos dias. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's still not working, but I'm gonna work on that this weekend so we can start the stream next week with everything working out. Okay, I like that reaction there on SPY and the Q. Let's see, I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Apple is reacting. SPY looks like it kind of want to hold there. The Q is definitely weaker than SPY. Intel? I don't know. I wouldn't trade Intel. I like this rejection on the Q. I kind of want to see it higher, a little bit higher, but if I want to trade the downside on the Q, I don't want to see a SPY breaking the resistance. I want to see a SPY rejecting here. Apple is looking pretty weak. So far, Microsoft is holding, Meta is holding, Nvidia looking weak. IWM looking weak. Okay, I'm going in with ES SPY. I like this reaction here. $5.24. I want to see a SPY going lower. I want to see it losing the VWAP. Same thing with the Q. We want to see the Q losing the VWAP. Apple and Microsoft are looking exactly the same. My stop loss here is gonna be if SPY breaks this high with a strong bullish candlestick. SPY definitely fighting there. Come on, keep going. Keep going lower. At least give me a VWAP retest. Nvidia is very weak. Very weak. If loses yesterday's low, it's done so. That's a head and shoulders. You want to see the Q also losing the VWAP here. Apple looking weak, Microsoft looking weak, Meta is holding very good. Nvidia is trying to hold yesterday's low. Gonna be patient here. Yes, SPY is really holding here, this level, but it's still under my stop loss. Keeps fighting here. We have data coming up at 10. And we also have a gap here under. This is a gap on SPY. Gap with a little bit of support here. Come on, SPY, go lower. Apple breaking down. It's Microsoft also kind of breaking down. Oh man, SPY keeps fighting there. And the Q also fighting the VWAP. Okay, give me more. Give me more. Come on, Q, break the VWAP. Apple very weak. Okay, I like that better. Nvidia. Let's watch how Nvidia is gonna react to yesterday's low. Morning. Okay, keep going, SPY, keep going. Keep going. Okay. Well. Keep going. I'm gonna take some profits on SPY if it touch the VWAP and then hold the one runner. So I like that SPY, it keeps making lower highs and it keeps rejecting 524. It's fighting there, but it's rejecting. So as long as we keep seeing bearish candlestick, I'm very bearish on SPY today. Or at least right now. Okay, so the Q lost the VWAP and it's rejecting there. That could be a good entry here on the Q. The rejection of the VWAP. The Q definitely weaker than SPY. The SPY is still fighting. I saw that the Q was weaker than SPY, but the thing is, like, when I wanted to enter, the Q was already on this candlestick, so it could easily go higher and retest this resistance. So I went with SPY because I like how SPY was so close to my resistance. And I like entering close to my support and resistance because that way it's easier for me to handle the trade. Okay, I'm getting ready to sell one. If touch the VWAP here, give me a little bit more. Give me more. Okay. Got some profits here. Nvidia is right at yesterday's low. If cannot hold that level, it's done so. It has a very clear head and shoulder, Nvidia. Okay, we're looking Gucci. Okay, so the Q SPY lost the VWAP. It's inside the gap. It's now at support. We need the SPY to lose the support here, and then we're gonna have more downside continuation. Then we have a little bit support around 521, and then the entire gap fill. That was beautiful. Anyone got that 524 rejection on SPY? Okay, we want to see a SPY here rejecting the VWAP. That was beautiful. Beautiful, perfect reaction. Sometimes trading is so easy, then other times it's so difficult. But if you know how to do your levels and you understand what's the trend and you go with that trend, trading can be so easy. With the Q, the next big level is basically yesterday's low. I will say 434 and then 432 kind of. But I will say it's basically yesterday's low. And here I want to see a SPY just keep reacting the VWAP. Or 523. I do not want to see any candle above 523. No, yeah, I had I had 28 contracts. I closed half. Okay, let's see how this candle is gonna close. It looks like I'm gonna get a stop out here. If rejects 523, I'm gonna keep holding. If it closes like that, very strong above 523, I might close it, even though we could go here again and reject there. Basically under 524, it's bearish. The amount of contracts that I have or had, you guys see it here, or this red number here, not here, this red number. Damn, I do not like that move. Let's see if how it's gonna react here at 524. If reject, that can be another good entry to play the downside. Should I add one more here? I kind of feel like getting more contracts here. I'm gonna add one. Okay, so now this is the gap. Damn. What's going on? Oh yeah, we have data coming up. No, but it's not that. What the heck? Okay, let's see how it's gonna react here. If it closes very strong above that level, I'm out. If reject, I'm getting more. Okay, I'm getting one more there. Okay, I'm out. That was... What was that move? I was not expecting that. From very green to very red. If this is a fake out, I'm gonna be so mad. Nvidia is holding yesterday's low very strong. If I see a rejection here, I'm gonna try it again. Yeah. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be this high. And I just lost a few accounts here on that move. What a fake out. What a fake out. It's still reacting there. Still fighting there. Okay, I'm out. Okay. What a fake out. Okay, so obviously if Spy holds 524 as support, it's gonna go higher and most likely it's gonna retest yesterday high, which it looks like it wants to do that. What the heck? Watching 542 here. On the Q. Why is the Spy so strong? And if Spy goes under 524 again, it's a freaking chop fest. Looks like we're gonna have a bullish day. Yeah, look at this. That's a huge move on Spy. But I don't know why. Look at this. Damn. 442 here on the Q. Let me see how I'm doing with the rest of my accounts. Okay, so let's see if the Q can break this high here. If you can, we're going long. No, but jobless claim was pre-market, so this is not why the market is moving like that. But SPY's flying. I was not expecting this today. Yeah, I know. It's moving like these bullish candles are extremely strong on SPY. Okay, let's. If the Q can hold here, we're going long. Tesla's looking kinda good to play the upside. If can keep holding this low and the VWAP, looks like it wants to go and retest yesterday high, but it needs to keep holding this level here, pretty much yesterday's low and the VWAP. So here's what I'm seeing that Tesla might wanna do. Okay, we have the Q rejecting here. Under this level is bearish. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. Well, still have 22 minutes to close. I kind of like that reaction on... I like that reaction on the Q. I just don't know if I want to play the reaction on the Q with SPY being so strong. Okay, I like that hold on the Q. I'm gonna try here going long on the Q. What do you mean I don't have a stop loss? I said 1,000 times what's my stop loss. I don't use hard stop loss. Because it's too easy to get fake out with wicks. So basically we want to see the Q holding this level of support and go here. What position I'm in now? You can see it on the screen. I'm long on the Q. As long as we keep holding this level here as support, I'm bullish on the Q. Look at Tesla. Anyone got Tesla? Okay, let's see if this trade's gonna work out. Yeah, remember to like the video. Like. Keep going. I'm selling one here, just in case the thing wanna go under. Looks pretty bullish so far. Look at Meta. Beautiful bounce of 495. Apple holding very good, Nvidia holding pretty good, Microsoft, Meta very strong. IWM holding, Tesla holding. So far the Q is holding very good. Same thing with SPY, maybe a little bit of consolidation here to keep going. 405, 406, it's a important resistance on Microsoft. You are a hater. You only comment when like mean stuff or bad, like negative comments, so you're blocked. I do not want to see you on my channel. You only make comments that are bad. So what if I'm having a red day? I have a very green day yesterday and the day before. So bye, you're a hater. Okay, beautiful. What a move. What a comeback here on SPY. That was crazy. Very strong move here. I want to see this candle closing strong. I don't want to see it closing with a long wick at the top. Come on, keep going. I'm out here. I also took this trade with my funded futures and I'm out. So green on my funded futures is the only trade that I took with them. Lost a few accounts with Apex and made this money. So basically I was trading with how many accounts? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts. So I had 10 accounts on this group, lost 7, which is basically, let's see how much money I lost when I lost that account. So it's $38 per eval plus 85 for the PA fees. That's 123 per account multiplied by 7. That's $861 that I lost based on losing these 7 accounts. But I made this money with PAs and this money with PA. So basically I'm green for today. That's why I love trading with prop firms. A little bit over 1500 with PA on my funded futures, and this is with PAs with Apex. So 7200. Okay, let's do the math, and so you guys can really see how good it is to trade with prop firm. So I lost how much I lost with losing 7 PAs. Let's just go with, let's just say each PA that I eval I pay, let's just say I pay $40, which I didn't. I paid a little bit under 38, but let's just say $40. Let's just round $40 per eval, right? Plus 85 for the PA fee. That's 125 per account, per PA account. So I pay 125 for one PA account, multiply by 7. That's how much I lost today because I lost 7 accounts. So that's 875, right? 875. I made 1500 over 1500 with PAs on my funded futures, and I made this with PAs on Apex. So let's 1800 plus 300 minus the PAs that I lost, that is 960. So this is how much money I made today. Even with all this red that it looks ugly, this is how much money I made. Isn't that amazing? That's why I love trading with prop firms. If you really know how to play this game, if you really understand that how a prop firm works, and you don't go crazy and spend a bunch of money, but you buy evals, past, pay for your PAs, and then you make money out of the PAs, you can afford losing accounts. Because losing those accounts, obviously nobody wants to lose those accounts, but it's free. It's free. That's why I always say, doesn't matter what you see here. I don't care how much I make here. The only thing that matters is how much you're getting in and outside your bank account. That's it. That's it. by the way, next week, I'm gonna do a giveaway of one or maybe a couple of my Funded Futures accounts. So make sure to, first of all, to be able to enter the giveaway, you need to subscribe to the channel and open a My Funded Future account with my link that you have it above in the chat and also down in the video description. So make sure you already open an account on My Funded Futures so you can maybe get one for free next week. The market is still looking extremely bullish. I think I'm done for today. My looks, I'm gonna be here a little bit more and let's see if we can find a options trade. And when it comes with the first trade, and obviously I'm mad because I talk about taking profits fast. Yesterday I talked about taking profits fast on this market, and I didn't do it today. So my mistake. It is very, very important that no matter how much we trust our levels, if the market it's moving crazy, we need to be in and out fast. I think my problem today was that because we had a huge move yesterday that I missed, I was kinda wanting to see the same thing here with SPY. And technically, honestly, we have nothing that I was bullish until this candlestick. All this was very bearish, rejecting 524, rejection, 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 losing the VWAP, and then we have boom. $213, I will say to the morning high is a resistance on Apple, and then above it has a gap. Microsoft is moving very strong. No, I don't use anything under the 5-minute time frame. I only use 5-minute time frame. What you guys see on my screen. 5. Ooh, that's why I was confused. 5, 30, and daily. That is everything that I use. Sometimes I use weekly to see the overall trend in major levels, but mostly it's 5-minute and 30-minute time frames. Morning. So, rough morning, right? But it is what it is. That's the reality of trading, and you guys see everything here. You see when I have red days, when I lose accounts, everything. You hear what I'm thinking, what are my levels, you see my mistakes, my good trades, bad trades, everything. And then we see people complaining. And then we see people complaining when I have good days, they complain. And then when I have red days, they also complain. But it is how it is. Look at this 30-minute candle here. What is this? The first 30-minute candle of the day. It's telling us that it doesn't want to go lower. Like it has a very strong reaction here. Fill the gap and then boom. Same thing here with SPY. You have a strong bullish 30-minute candlestick, and the next one is even stronger. So with these second 30-minute candlesticks, there is no reason to short. At least for now. We'll see how it's gonna react to yesterday high. That's the next level to watch. Yesterday high. Yesterday high, Tuesday high. TradingView, I have used TradingView to trade in the past. The thing is, like, with TradingView, you can only trade with one account at the same time. So I cannot trade with groups on TradingView. Because I don't use stop losses. My stop loss are levels. So what was my stop loss here? It was this high. 524, this high. It's not about a tide or a big stop loss. The key is to enter close to your stop loss. So, okay, with this trade, right? I enter around here, close to my stop loss. My stop loss is the 524 level or this high. I entered this trade and I said, this high is my stop loss. That's it. And same thing on this trade to the upside. I enter on here and I say my stop loss is this support. I want to see it holding this support. And that's it. It's not a percentages, it's not a P&L, it's my levels. Playing micros on your personal account. I honestly don't advise to trade futures on personal account unless you have made a lot of, like, a huge amount of money out of prop firms. There's no reason why. Again, look at these bunch of red numbers, right? Imagine if this was my personal account, how much I'll be down. A lot of money. But because I'm using a prop firm, I'm up a lot of money. So I don't think it's worth it to risk your own money trading futures. So yeah, Tradeovate is not an Apex broker. It's just a broker that it can be linked to pretty much every single prop firm. I use Tradeovate on Apex and my funded futures. So yeah, next trade it's gonna be here at yesterday high. On both, mostly on SPY. Can SPY break yesterday high? We'll see. Okay, so you don't place trades on Apex, so you link your Apex account to Tradeovate. Here, let me send you the link. Go to this website here, Apex. Wait. Okay, on this website you can research everything and anything about Apex and how to set up your accounts there. I've been trading for, I think, over now 7 years, around 7 years. Asdrubal, if you have problems with Apex, just DM me and we can do a Zoom later today and I'll help you with setting up your accounts there. NQ is having troubles around 18,400. And if we look at the daily on the SpanDQ, we really have no clear direction because you can see it here that is still making higher highs. But if it goes higher, we could say it's a bear flag after being down so much. So it's a little bit confusing. A little bit confusing. I really need to clean these charts. Yuck. Better. Let's see how the weekly is looking. The weekly is still on a downtrend, rejecting previous week low. So are we gonna keep going lower next week or are we going higher here? Who knows? Who knows? This is an important level of support here, and this is an important rejection level, which is basically, is this? Yeah, yesterday high. That's the yesterday high is the rejection of previous weekly low. And exactly the same thing here with the Q. Yeah, that might be right. But now it's just slow midday type of move. I think I'm done for today, honestly. I can see the market consolidating, maybe pulling back a little bit, but I don't know. I think the next trade is gonna be this high here. And I have an appointment around 12. So I don't think I'll be here for a SPY to hit this high. I'm not gonna trade anything unless the SPY hit this high. So I have like 40 minutes for that. You want me guys to stay here with no trades until SPY hit here? Or you want me to end the stream? I have like 40 more minutes. Okay. Okay, I'll stay a little bit longer. The market is still very strong. Okay, I'm gonna take some coffee. I'm watching this on Nvidia. This. Let's see. What is this on NVIDIA? Possible Head and Shoulder. If rejects 104. Maybe 104. It's like 10. It's more like 103, 40, 104. This level here. If breaks this is the next major support on NVIDIA. So let's watch that. I wouldn't say it's bullish. This is the thing with SPY in the Q. So far, if we see the daily, yesterday we had a bearish engulfing candle. So far today, what candle is this? It's just an inside candle. So what it means when you have an inside candle? Just a bounce. Inside daily candles means still. So when you have how to explain this? When you have a big candle, engulfing candle, and then you have an inside candle, it means what's the direction that it should continue? The big one, not the small one inside the one before. If SPY breaks yesterday high, I will say yeah, it's bullish. But if it's still inside the day before yesterday's candle, it's just a bounce. Green bounce day. Unless it breaks out here. If not, it's just an inside candle and I'm still bearish. For at least this week. This 530, 532 area was a very strong resistance yesterday. Same thing with this 449, 448, 70 was a very strong resistance yesterday on the Q. Thank you. So now, the only thing that we need to do is just be patient and wait. Wait for the next good setup. A+ setup. Apple and Microsoft are doing nothing at resistance. Just kinda holding there, rejecting but holding at resistance. No, I don't use extended hours. So no, because I want to see gaps. And I could not do that with extended hours. I only have extended hours on my 5-minute time frame chart, which is here. This is the extended hours. This is pre-market. This is after market from yesterday. So I only use it on my 5-minute time frame because pre-market highs and lows are important for trading in the morning. But that's it. Oh no. Why FOMO in? At least you know what you did wrong, which is important. Come on, SPY, just hurry. Just go to 530 already. Same thing with 104 on Nvidia. Just move. How do you judge if a retracement is over? Well, just look at this. Look at today. Let me take out look at today. How do you know it's over? Look at this candle. That's an engulfing candle. Again, engulfing means change of direction. Most likely you're gonna go to that direction. Broke the VWAP, broke my 524 level with a engulfing candle that this candle is the same size as this entire move. Here. So you have the break of VWAP. You can do something like this also. Broke the trend, made higher highs and higher lows. Same thing here. Broke the trend, held support, and then you have a bullish engulfing candle, broke the resistance. This resistance then acted as support. You have higher highs, higher lows. And you can also do something like this. All like that. I think the easier way to handle a trade and to understand that is doing, okay, so this is my support, this is my resistance, right? So held support, broke resistance. What's the next one? The next one, it was here. Resistance, acted as support. Then the next one. Resistance, acted as support. Okay, what's the next one? This. Resistance, acting as support. Let's see how it's gonna react. Kind of around here. That's your next resistance there. It doesn't break the support. So basically, if you're, let's just say you're holding loans, right? So you have this support and this resistance. So to whichever side it's gonna break out, you decide if you wanna keep holding or you wanna get out. How to know that? Again, my level, 524 or this high. So when I was going short, this high, like this candle high, was my stop loss. Let's see, this candle high was my stop loss. We can see it was rejection, 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 rejection here, right? So how do you enter to go long? Well, you have an engulfing candle. It's right at resistance, right? What is the next candle doing? It's using that resistance as support. So what's your stop loss? You can do something like this. Okay, 524. That's your next one. It could, because it's a huge candle and you have the VWAP so far, it could go lower, retest the VWAP and then keep going. But that will be very choppy price action. What about AMD? I don't know. Let's see. So now is this SPY gonna break out here, or it's just gonna break down? Let's see AMD. What do we see here? What's the reaction on AMD? Let's see. Quiz time. What is this? What is this? You don't really need me for that. Quiz time. Support, support. What is here? I think that's your answer. So it still can go higher to 136, even 137. I will say if AMD breaks very strong 138, it's gonna go higher. Definitely, it's gonna go higher. Yeah, exactly. So pretty easy, right? You just wait for that level and see how it's gonna react there if you want to short. So basically is either rejects here or breaks that. And this could be a bull flag also. But do I trust that? Not really, unless SPY in the Q breaks yesterday high. Yeah, no problem. Why do I want to see gaps? Are you new to my streams? I play gaps all the time. It's my favorite setup. In fact, this I'm gonna send you the video where I explain how to play gaps because I love playing gaps. gaps are my best trades ever. Like I got 500% returns, almost 1,000% return also on gaps. So love playing gaps. You can watch that video. Watch that video where I explain how I play gaps. So, oopsie. Today is behind the queue where gaps play. Like we open, gapping up, and then the cube fill the gap and then bounce from that gap. Let's see, you guys can see it better here. Yeah, look at this. The queue open here, right? Yeah, open here. It had this gap. Went down, touch support, and then bounce. That was a gap play. Same thing with SPY. SPY. Open here, went down, kind of filled the gap, bounce out of support. Same thing. But those are not the type of gaps that I like to play. I like to play like huge gaps for swings, for swing trading. Either way, I forgot about Shop today. What is Shop doing? It looks like it had very good earnings yesterday and it was looking very strong. Ooh, look at that bounce. That was a beautiful 64 bounce on Shop. This could be a very good gap trade. Look at this gap on Shop. Look at this gap. Above 70 means boom boom time for the gap. So place your alerts. I'm gonna place my alert under 70 so I can be prepared before it breaks that level. But yeah, the Shop is again inside this huge range that we played like 2 weeks ago, like 3 times. We played this bounce and then we played this bounce too. Go around and see how the market is moving. Okay, Tesla. Anyone got that Tesla play that I was talking about? That was beautiful. Perfect bounce from yesterday. Break of the VWAP. Break, retest, boom. Now it's too late. Broadcom. No, not that one. Also 140 hold, very good. You have under, above, break of the VWAP, retest, boom. So this is very choppy. Look at this daily. You have a bunch of chop fest here. You have ugly bearish engulfing candle. Now we have an inside day. So I will not trade this thing right now, unless it's for like quick scalp. But other than that, we don't have a clear direction here. Look at these past like 4 days. Choppy. IWM, it's another one that we can like wait and see how it's gonna react to these 208, 207. If you can go here and reject, that's another very good entry. Another very good trade. We're going down. We're going down. SPY couldn't even go to 530. So it looks like the Q is gonna go and retest this level here. 441, the VWAP. Again, an inside day so far. Okay, that's pretty bearish on SPY. So you can wait for a rejection of this level and play the downside continuation till the VWAP. Same thing here with the Q. You have this little support level here. If bounce and reject, we can have the continuation to the downside to retest the VWAP and this level here. Apple and Microsoft looks like a head and shoulder on the 5-minute time frame. Same thing with Meta. I really wanted that 104 on Nvidia. Good reaction here. Good reaction there. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for liking the video. Yeah, the Q is very weak. I'm gonna go short here with 1. Let's see. I hope these things move fast because I have like 20 more minutes to be here. So far, it looks like a good reaction. Apple rejecting, Microsoft rejecting, Nvidia rejecting, Meta rejecting. Come on, just keep going lower. I think that's impossible to answer because it depends on each and every one how it depends how you trade. So I don't think anyone can give you that answer. Also depend if you're going for 20 accounts all at once. You go for one account up to 20. Like everything it's up to you. And how you trade and how you handle those accounts. Okay, I want to see a rejection here. Rejecting the 9 EMA, rejecting this level. Again. I had 20 with Apex and I have 3 with my funded futures. Okay, I like that reaction there. We want to see a rejection there. I'm waiting to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Okay. I'm out. What the heck is that? This market is insane. If that's a fake out, I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, look at this move. That's insane. The market is moving crazy today. Okay, I'm done. Definitely done. I don't want to go red on my overall PAs. So yeah, red on Apex, green on my funded futures. And I'm done. I don't like how that is not normal. You have a huge red candle here, and then you have a reaction, and then look at this move. That is not normal. That is not normal PA. Look at that. Damn. Okay, guys, I'm done. What? This is why we can't have good things. Also, it's very important to understand how the market is moving and when it's time to close and say goodbye. Close your charts and say goodbye. This is not for me. But yeah, next key levels are yesterday high on SPY, yesterday high on the Q, and watch 104 on Nvidia. Even though I would not short anything, just looking at how the market is moving every time it goes lower. So yeah, today's Thursday. I'll see you guys on Monday. I'm done. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for being here. Bye.